Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can use rank command in MS Excel. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, open your Excel sheet. For example, we have here a table and we have different candidates having different percentage, and if we want to know their ranks with respect to their percentage, how we can do? We have to use the command rank command. Let us use the rank command. First of all, we will use here rank. We'll write down here rank, and here you can use rank command using first equal and rank, then bracket start, and use the cell number, that is J3, and then comma, and we can use now cell reference number. Cell reference is J and $3. This means here J means J column and 3 means 3 row. $3, we have to use the dollar because we are using reference. And now we can use colon, and we can use the cell references up to the rows you want to select. Now we have to select here, this is the end cell, that is 12J. Use $J and $12. Now we have selected this whole column so that we can get the rank of this all candidates. Now use the bracket close and click enter. Now this candidate have the rank 8. We can use the dragging system, copying system. We can copy this whole formula to all the rows. Now you can see this one is rank 1 because it has got 75%, which is higher than all those of these. You can see yourself, no one is having more than this 75.19. That's why it's rank 1. Now you understood how we can use the rank command in Excel. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.